Hello, I'm in a 2018 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you how to switch between metric or the US standards for mileage and temperature. So first we'll start the vehicle and wait just a moment for everything to load. So yeah, if you want miles or kilometers or Fahrenheit or Celsius, that's what this is about. So these check, so clear off any messages you've got in the way. So a check. And then same here, we're going to use these depending on whatever the screen looked like when you started. I pushed to the far left to get out to all these menu options. So we'll scroll up or down until you get to options. Hit check. And then again up or down until you get to your units. Right now it's in US. If you want kilometers and Celsius, go to metric. And it just auto changes it all. So if we went all the way back out, you'd see now it's all in kilometers. I'm in the US, so I'm going to switch it back to the US. But that's it. I hope that was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.